Why did the tomato turn red? Because it saw the salad dressing. Why do onions make you cry during dinner preparations? Because they are just trying to show their sensitive side while being sliced and diced into a delicious meal. Why did the little chef always keep a spoon in her pocket? Because she wanted to make sure she was always ready to stir up some delicious fun. Why did the raindrop go to school? Because it wanted to be a little brighter in the classroom while it learns about the monsoon season.
Why do fish make such good chefs?
Because they always know how to make a dish that is totally off the hook, just like this delicious curry.